Welcome to MuskeTech. I'm Ryan Muskie, and today we're going to take a PlayStation 4 Pro and put 4 times the amount of storage they normally come with. Let's go. So there's a couple things you're going to need in order to build the ultimate PlayStation 4 Pro with 4 times the amount of storage compared to a normal PlayStation 4 Pro. The first and most important part to having the PlayStation 4 Pro entertainment system. You can find this at most local electronics stores like Circuit City or Radio Shack. Our best bet was a close by Circuit City. Now that we have the PlayStation 4 Pro entertainment system, there are a few other parts and tools you're going to need along the way. You're going to need a level. You're going to need some clear tubing. Make sure that it's clear. It helps run the flux tubing better. You'll also need a Phillips and flathead screwdriver. You'll need a TV antenna to computer adapter. Make sure it's version 7.2 or newer. The older ones tend to not work as well once we get up to the 4K resolutions. You'll also need flat shears, 45-degree angle shears, a 1/2-inch drill bit, an 1/8-inch drill bit, and various types of fasteners. So now one of the things that makes this entire system possible is the big advancement in MuskeTech cards. They're the newest form of storage. Each MuskeTech card can store 1.82 gigawatts per card, allowing you to quadruple the amount of storage inside a PlayStation 4 Pro entertainment system. By having 4 of these cards linked in a series circuit using multiple different fasteners and clear tubing, we're able to achieve faster write speeds than even solid-state drives today. Let's go ahead and get started with the build. So one thing we did forget to mention that you will need to have is a special tape to be able to bond the MuskeTech drives together. So this tape is conductive radioactive atomic particle tape. It's crap tape. You can find it at your local Ultimate Electronics store. They carry it in bulk supply. Make sure you get at least 1 roll. Once you have that, you'll go ahead and you'll bond the drives together using the clear tubing and the crap tape. After you bond the drives together, it should look something like this along with the analog TV adapter built together with it. Once you have this set up, it's ready to be fused with the main PlayStation 4 Pro entertainment system. We're going to go ahead and fuse it now. So after securing the MuskeTech drives with the crap tape and the clear tubing to the analog TV to computer converter system, we're going to go ahead and drill 2 holes inside the PlayStation 4 Pro entertainment system. When you drill these holes, you're going to want to start out with the smaller bit as a hand drill, and then take the larger bit and hand drill the hole to full size. After you do that, you go ahead and place the main tube in the back center of the main hole. After that, you'll also want to drill a vent hole on the side, so then if there are any issues with creating this console, you won't have any backfire when creating the console. So we're going to go ahead, wait a little bit, and then wait for the console to be done. We'll be back when it's finished. So after letting the system cure, usually overnight or for a couple hours, depending on the humidity in your environment and how many gigawatts you're pushing through with all of your MuskeTech cards. At that point, you will notice some swelling in the top casing if you didn't drill a large enough vent hole, as we see here. Once we're done, make sure to let it cool and walk away, go do something else. We've let it sit overnight, and now we have the ultimate PlayStation 4 Pro with 4 times the amount of storage. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.